Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jana Langley, and today we're going to learn about our e-portfolio. We know that the e-portfolio has six guiding principles and seven if you have special posts or example, you're a senior teacher or a principal or a vice principal. So we're going to start by creating our e-portfolio. Now, before you create an e-portfolio, first thing you have to have either you create a new email or old email in which you're no longer using. Reason being, because sometimes we will need help with or some portion of our e-portfolio, and sometimes you will send it to someone for them to assist you with that part of the e-portfolio. So when you're using a new email or already not using, that person won't have access to your personal or current information. So before we go on, we know that we have to go on Google Sites, in which, as you can see, is type right here. One Google site in the search engine, then go on this one that marks Google Drive sign in. Then right here, we have our blank portfolio. So, and just like that, we our journey has begun. We're on the first page of our e-portfolio, in which you write your name, like I said, Jana portfolio or Jana e-portfolio, or whatever your name might be. But for the main reason why we're here, we're going to create some pages for e-portfolio. So, as I said, we know we have six principles. So we're going to create six pages. So over this side now, you see insert, pages, and theme. We're going to go with pages. As you can see, we already have one page already, which is our home tab. So we're going to create some more pages. We're going to go on this plus sign down here and click on it. And the first one is GP1, or you can type out the full name, guiding principle 1. So we have GP1, click on done. Just like that, it has been created. I'm going to go back to this plus sign again. GP2, GP2 created. Back on the plus sign. GP3 created again. Back to the plus sign. GP4 done. Back on the plus sign again. GP5 done, and back on the plus sign again. GP6, and that's it. We have basically created all our pages for our guiding principle. We have our own page in which we'll create some sub pages. But let's look at this now. Let's see. We have GP1, different page, GP2, different page, GP3, different page, GP4, different page, and GP5, different pages. So we have all our pages for our guiding principles. But we know on our own page we have to create some other sub page, because the pages consist of multiple sub pages. So we're going to go for GP1. On a GP1, we have our introduction. So click on GP1 up here. I will slide back over here for our pages right here, and we're gonna click on GP1 like that, and then we're gonna go over here where you see three dots. So when you click at that three dots, we're gonna come down, said add sub pages. So we're gonna add our first sub page, which is the introduction. Then as usual, you click on done. See there, we created it. So we're gonna go back over there and create another sub page. We're not gonna go on this. If we go on this one, we're gonna create a sub page underneath introduction, which we don't want. We want to create another sub page on the GP1. So you go on GP1, click right there, add another sub page, can be vision and philosophy. Philosophy right here, and click on done. Then we can create another one also too, another sub page which could be for the qualification. Qualification. Then we have another one in which is called the teaching experience. Teaching experience. Click on done. Then we create another one now, which is called place of employment. Place of employment, and that's it. That's all we create our pages for our GP and also our sub pages for the different categories that comes under the different GP. So hope you guys learned something, and if you need any more help, I'll be here and making some more videos to see how I can help everybody create their own e-portfolio.